超久しぶりにラーメン食べた。I ate ramen after a long absence. What, is there something wrong with my English? Hi everyone, it's Scott from That's English School. Hisashiburi. It's such a simple word in Japanese. You use it all the time, right? But you know what? Our students make so many mistakes with it. Let's solve the problem once and for all. Here is today's lineup. Okay, now number 1, we're going to talk about what does the dictionary say. Number 2, using it as a greeting. And number 3, something that you haven't done for a while. And then number 4, conversation practice. Okay, let's get busy. Part 1. What does the dictionary say? Let's look in the Japanese to English dictionary for the word Hisashiburi. Yes, this one here. This is what my students always say. It says, after an absence of or after an interval of. This is especially true for students age about 30 or over. I guess it has something to do with the way English was taught a few years ago. It's really old-fashioned. Yesterday I went horse riding after an absence of 3 weeks. I have an incredibly sore bottom. Yes. I went hunting after an interval of 6 months. Didn't hit a damn thing. It's so formal. Nobody speaks like this unless you're a character from Downton Abbey. So put your dictionary away. I'm gonna teach you how Hisashiburi is really used. Part 2. Using Hisashiburi as a greeting in English. I'm sure almost everyone in Japan knows this greeting. We say it all the time in our school. Probably a little bit too much. It's a well-known greeting, but it's a little bit formal. Don't overuse it. Atsushi, long time no see. Haruka, hey, long time no see. Masanobu, long time no see. Keiko, long time no see. There are many other ways to say the same thing. Try to have some variety in your English. A popular pattern is it's been plus kikan, the period. Let's talk about some casual ways to use the greeting Hisashiburi. It's been a long time. Wow, it's been such a long time, hasn't it? It's been what, 3 years? It's been a while. It's been quite a while. It's been ages. Let's talk about some more formal expressions for Hisashiburi. Long time no see. I haven't seen you for a long time. It's been a while since we last met. Key point for you. Sometimes I hear people saying things like this. Long time no sushi. Long time no beer. It just sounds weird. Long time no see is a fixed phrase. It's a kind of greeting. Don't use it for anything else. It's just like good morning or good night. If you really want to say long time no sushi, then perhaps you should say something more like this. I haven't had sushi for such a long time. But I'm going to talk more about this in the next section. Are you enjoying the video so far? We have lots of other useful videos at our channel like this one or this one. Please subscribe to support our channel. 登録してくださいね。あとはいいね押して。Thank you! Part 3. 久しぶりに何々する. So something that you haven't done for a while. Here is the structure we can use. I, Ikoke, for the first time in, kikan. I came back to the UK for the first time in 5 years. I listened to Katy Perry for the first time in a while. I watched my favorite movie, E.T., for the first time in ages. I stopped by Shinjuku for the first time in a while. I visited my parents for the first time in a long time. Using the negative form. So we can use this pattern. I haven't plus kakobunshi for or since kikan. So instead of Hisashiburi, this pattern is probably more similar to shibaraku nani nani shite inai. But we can use it in a similar way. I haven't driven a car for some time. I haven't been there for a while. We hadn't spoken for a pretty long time. I have not been here since we had coffee 3 months ago. Part 4. Conversation practice. You're going to see 3 short conversations. Now, you will hear each conversation 2 times. The first time, I will be both characters. The second time, I will be one of the characters and you are the other character. Okay? Good luck. Hey John, it's been ages. Yeah, it must be what, 2 years? I guess so. How have you been? I've been good. My wife just had a baby. That's great news. Congratulations. Hey John, it's been ages. I guess so. How have you been? That's great news. Congratulations. Hi William, it's been quite a while. No kidding. Hey, you got time to catch up? Sure, let's go and grab a cup of coffee. Sounds great. I haven't been to Starbucks for ages. Me neither. Hey, it's so great to see you. Hi William, it's been quite a while. Sure, let's go and grab a cup of coffee. Me neither. Hey, it's so great to see you. Is that you, Brian? Scott? From high school? Yeah, it's been such a long time, hasn't it? Too long. How's life treating you? Oh, you know, pretty good. How about you? Can't complain. That's good. Actually, I met our old high school teacher, Mr. Brown, for the first time in 10 years. Is he still teaching high school? No, he's retired now. Is that you, Brian? Yeah, it's been such a long time, hasn't it? Oh, you know, pretty good. How about you? That's good. Is he still teaching high school? I hope you learned a lot of new things about how to use Hisashiburi in English. Please try to use it in your next English conversation. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.